Super crunchy and super yummy. Let's make crab and pork pot stickers.
I love pot stickers because you can get as creative as you want with the filling. This time, the traditional pairing of Napa cabbage and pork will be spruced up with Crab Roe. First, let's chop up some Napa cabbage, also often referred to as Chinese cabbage. Place it in a stainless steel bowl and then add some salt. Rub that in and leave for 15 minutes, and the salt will help extract some excess water. On to the marinade. I've used sweet soy sauce because that really helps bring out the wonderful flavor of the crab, some sesame oil, some white pepper, and Chinese rice wine. Today I'm using pork, but you can easily replace this with minced chicken. Break that up a little and add the marinade a teaspoon at a time while you mix. Wash the Napa cabbage about 3 times and all the salt will come out. Then drain and squeeze. Squeeze as much liquid out as you can, but just know that you can't squeeze all of it out. Just try your best to squeeze as much as you can. Add that to the pork and then mix it around. Then add the Crab Roe. You can buy jars of these in most supermarkets. Mix this thoroughly, then you're ready to make your pot stickers. You'll need to buy some round dumpling skins. Wet the edges, add a teaspoon of filling, fold up and crimp the side, then pleat and stick only one side. Pleat and crimp about 5-6 times, and then seal up the end. The shape would look like a crescent moon that just sits perfectly on the pan, and the bottom will crisp up super nicely. When preparing, line a tray with parchment paper or plastic wrap instead of adding too much flour to the bottom. If there's too much flour, it'll burn before it crisps. Traditionally, a non-stick pan is used, but you can yield the exact same results with a non-stick pan. On medium-low heat, dab the flat side with a little bit of oil and place them side by side. Fry for about a minute, add some water, close the lid and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Take off the lid and let the water evaporate. After the water evaporates, the skin will fry beautifully. Turn a plate upside down, place gently on the pot stickers, and turn the pan with the plate swiftly so that the dumplings come out together. Look at these beauties. Crispy, crispy skin and juicy, juicy stuffing.
Oh, look at that pretty, pretty water. Oh God. This is so easy and so yummy. You better start cooking.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and cook more pot stickers for your loved ones.
Yummy dumplings.
What kind of dumplings?
Crab and pork.